Hey everyone, I'm back and here is your next tip. So the next tip is about your benefits. So when you host a show, not only do you earn free products, half price products, discounted products, a 60% off monthly host bonus, but you have a couple other rewards. Every party that we book off of your party is called a future party pick, and you earn a half price item at every party. So that could be this month, the next month after that, and you'll get a half price item at their party. In addition to that, you're going to get 10% off for an entire year, and once your show hits $300 in guest sales, you have earned enough to take $25 of your free products and apply it to what's called a kit credit. So if you've been watching the party and things are going on and you think, oh gosh, maybe I would like a little extra income for maybe to pay for dance class for your kids or pay off student loans early. I know that that's a big reason a lot of people join my team, or maybe you just want a massage or you want to pay for a vacation, something like that. You can use $25 or $50 of your free products towards the cost of any of the 3 kits. So I've sent you a picture of what the kits look like. I've also sent you a picture of the show planner so you understand your host rewards. As your sales increase, so do your free, half price, and discounted products. So today's tip is we want to get 3 bookings from your show because we want you to get a bonus from me. When we have 3 people that agree to a date and we start their parties, once their 3rd show closes, I'm going to send you a bonus gift. So we normally need to talk to about 5 or 7 people to find 3 that would commit to having a show. So during the party, I'm going to give you post about booking a party, but that's when you're going to want to tag those friends as well and see that they see that post. And then I'm going to ask you to private message them for me and you together, and we'll just ask them if they want to do what you did and host a show. I'm going to make it just as easy for them as I am for you. So again, consider being part of my team. I'd love to have you on board. I'm looking forward to a successful show with you. Remember, you don't need to be in the party all day long. I have a posting service that is going to be posting for me. I am not in the party all day long. So you'll see me pop in the morning. I'm probably in the evening. And some evenings I might have team training, etc. So you might not see me in there, but I will respond to everybody within 24 hours. If you see a question pop up that I have not answered on the page, if you'll partner with me and just send me a private message and say, hey Sue, you missed Carolyn's question, she wanted to know about shipping, that would be great. And so today's assignment is not only partnering with me in the party, but also reaching out to a couple of people that you think would be interested in hosting a party as well, and writing them on your list so that we can reach out to them in the party itself. Now, if you have any questions, always remember to send me a message. I'm here to help. My goal is to help you have a really successful show. If your friends have any specific dietary needs, they want to see vegetarian or paleo or keto, just let me know, because when I go into the party, I can manually post those videos, those recipes, and those tools for that. And if you have things that are on your wish list, I would love to hear what they are, because I want to post about those. So give me a thumbs up that you've watched this video and that you understand what's next. See you soon.